Hello student, welcome once again my YouTube channel Creative Teacher. If you don't subscribe my channel till now, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for every day for new videos. Today's topic are 7th standard 1.5 children are going to school. This is a poem and this is a poem written by Nida Fazil. Nida Fazil was a prominent Hindi and Urdu poet. He was written many different type of songs and poems. He was honored with a National Harmony Award. He was awarded Padma Shri by the government of India. In this poem, he paints a beautiful pictures of the early morning when children go to school. मतलब जो कविता दी गई है उस कविता में इन्होंने सुबह का जो वातावरण होता है उस वातावरण का वर्णन, जब सुबह सुबह बच्चे स्कूल जाते हैं उस समय का वर्णन किया गया है. उसके पहले देखिए कुछ है टॉपिक है, जैसे थिंक ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एवरीडे ओकेजन्स, डिस्क्राइब योर एवरीडे ओकेजन्स. ओकेजन्स मतलब होता क्या है ओकेजन्स? Describe that your experience and your surrounding using at least two of few sevens. Okay, describe your emotions. Describe your emotions, and then feelings along with your sensory exercise. Look at this. This is occasions. These all are occasions. First is very early morning. It means which occasions? Occasions is before sunrise. Before sunrise. Okay, before sunrise means जब अर्ली मॉर्निंग का मतलब होता है वेरी अर्ली मॉर्निंग, मतलब जो सनराइज सूर्योदय के पहले. Early morning, look at this, early morning at or a little after sunrise. Okay, very early morning मतलब before sunrise, and early morning at or a little after sunrise. At that time of school prayer and assembly, है ना. Lunch time at home or at a functions. On the playground before sunset, at सनसेट. ओकेजन कब कब होते हैं? जैसे प्लेग्राउंड, ऑन द प्लेग्राउंड पर आप कब होते हो? आप प्लेग्राउंड पर एक तो सनसेट, बिफोर सनसेट सूर्यास्त के पहले और सनसेट के बाद, है ना. बेड टाइम, अब बेड टाइम के लिए भी आपको तो समय होना चाहिए, क्यों है कि नहीं. तो बेड टाइम. लुक एट दिस इज अ व्हाट यू सी, 5 सेंस. व्हाट यू सी, व्हाट यू स्मेल, ऑर्गन्स अरोना, व्हाट यू हियर, what your feel or touch warm, what your taste sweet delicious savory etc. some useful words जो है यहाँ पर कुछ words हैं. देखो, strong wind, light breeze, bright sunlight, hot sun, dark pitch dark, pleasant, cool, cold, hot, warm, and जैसे bird chirping, bells, horns, whistles, sweet sounds, noise, quiet, screen, nice, noble, free, delicious, etc. What do you see you on your way to school every day? Think about that. What do you see? What do you see you on your way your school every day? List at least 5 ऑफ द प्लेस ऑफ और पीपल, है ना. मतलब जब आप रास्ते पर स्कूल के लिए रास्ते पर चलते हो तो आपको वहाँ पर कौन कौन सी चीज़ें दिखाई देती हैं, या फिर उसके कुछ लिखना है, उस बारे में 5 सेंटेंस लिखना है. सो लुक एट दिस, चिल्ड्रंस आर गोइंग टू स्कूल. Morning light spreads over the earth. Once again the sky bows in head in respect. For children are going to school. The sun after his morning deep in the river raised up in his golden muslin turban. Went wets and smile on one side of the road, for children are going to school. Through the green top branches, breezes sing their song of blessing. Fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy roads with their melodies. At the corner of the line, the people in his lusty ploy waved his hand, for children are going to school. Angel of light have set out, every road is gleam at his hour. Every particle of the earth throbs like a mother's heart. Time sitting on an old roof flies pigeons in the sky, for children are going to school. Muslin, a kind of soft cotton fabric. Folic मतलब जर्मनी, फ्लेयर कवर, ए ग्लिम, शाइनी, जिस ब्राइटली जिसको हम कहते हैं. So like this you read this poem and understand that poem, okay, and after that try to solve the English workshop